Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a Pokemon Go Spoofer for 2025. So this gives you a joystick so you can walk around the Pokemon world from your house, tons of other settings. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, we got all the settings right here. So this is super cool. And you can see we can go ahead and do the different locations, which is super cool. Can actually go ahead and teleport to these. So as you can see, guys, I just teleported. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it onto your device. This is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So let's get straight into the video. And you can see in here all the settings. So it's super crazy. We can actually change the speed our character walks as well, which is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. We've also got the joystick, which we can have on. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it onto your device. So it's pretty easy. So you guys shouldn't have any problems. So first thing we're going to do is go to the website pokespoofing.com. So let me just go ahead and type that in right here. So once you're on this site, guys, you are going to be good to go. So let me just go to the site, and you want to press the button that says start injecting, and it's going to start downloading onto your device. So before it downloads, it's going to ask you if you're using an iPhone or an Android. So just go ahead and pick whichever device you're using. So press inject, and now the final step is verification. So what this means is you have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions, but they're 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So I'm going to go ahead and press the button that says verify now, and it's going to bring me to the list of apps. So let me just go ahead and download those right here. So it does not really matter which app you do. You just want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps and complete the instructions. So I'm going to do Lumo VPN, so it's going to bring me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So let me just go ahead and go back on the list. And for me, I'm going to go ahead and do Travel Town. So it's going to bring me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let me just go ahead and go to the home screen, and I'm just going to wait for these to download. So they're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So the VPN's already done, so I'm just going to run it and do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. So yeah, it's super easy. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I think we're pretty much done. So now I'm going to do the other one, which is Travel Town. This one's a game. So you just got to go ahead and run it, just doing some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just playing through it. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty easy. So you guys should be all good to go. So I'm just going to run this right here as you can see. All right. So yeah, just playing through it. So let me just go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so yeah, just gonna run this right here. Okay, just gonna do that. Okay, so anyway, guys, now you are done with the verification, and the Pokemon Go Spoofer will download. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It's super cool, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. It's also enhanced throw. This gives you a 100% catch rate if you throw the ball right, which is pretty wild. So yeah, this is actually working, guys, and it is super cool. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, it is super crazy. You can see right here the enhanced throw. So yeah, definitely go ahead and try this one out for yourself. It's super awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is so cool. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So yeah, definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, get the word out because this is fully updated, guys, and it is super cool. So I'll see you later.